Yeah. So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about self compassion and self criticism with Ikra. I hope I did not misspell your name. It's too difficult and too unique, also. So, yeah, as we all know, we have to sometimes be self compassionate and we have to avoid criticism and have to avoid self criticism also because they are on the same pinch or they are on the different pinch. We are going to explore with her. So, Namaste, Ikra. How you are doing? I hope you are doing well.
Yes, I'm doing really well and I'm really, really happy to be here. And it's such a unique topic to discuss on and something which a lot of people misunderstands about. They think that it's really similar. Self-compassion, self-criticism is nearly equal. It's not anything different, but there's a huge difference. And the way you pretend or you take up the information gives you your output. So it's very
Yes.
important to take about these things.
Yes. So, as you mentioned, it's pretty different. So, my first question to you would be with your was that what is the difference between self compassion and self criticism?
If I would just put it in a very simple way, very simple, there are two types of stress, positive and negative stress. Positive stress help you in motivating yourself, doing good work. It helps you in getting over from the procrastination that you're facing. And negative stress is something that makes you sit down, take a back, and not being able to push you back. In the very same manner, self compassion is something where you take up the ideas, or maybe you can compare yourself with different people, but in a positive way. You take up the information, but you are taking it up to make yourself more positive, work in a better form, understand what was your lacks, what was your positive or the negative strengths and weakness, and then take up the thing in a very positive manner that helps you in giving up a better result in future. But self criticism in the very same page, it's a very negative thing. People take up कि मैं तो उससे अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, he came first, I came last, I can't participate in this thing anytime soon, अब तो possible ही नहीं है, and all of those things. So it's very simple, positive and negative, but people think it's usually the same thing. आप तो सामने वाले को देख के compare कर रहे हो, so it's the same thing only, but they don't know what is compassion and what is criticism. So we'll discuss in detail. I would like
Yes.
to know from your side as well some of the information.
Yes, as you said, I was being compassionate with my own self, but I used to criticize myself a lot when people were like, "Oh, you did not do well." But somewhere I felt that yeah, I did well. But होता है ना कि elders are saying you, and I used to
Hmm.
criticize a lot. And I remember that the time I started doing a course on, as I said, that compassionate focus therapy, and then I realized that no, I'm harming my own self. Not that I am cutting my wrist and something, but it's a mental harm which I'm doing along
Yes.
with trauma, along with jealousy, because I feel that self criticism can pop up with jealousy. Like, she did, I have to beat her. So that beating is something I did not like. And then I became more calm, more compassionate with my own self. And right now I'm leading a too healthy life because I have stopped all this self-wala thing because I don't criticize myself. Yeah, sometime I do. I'm not saying that I don't do self-criticism, but at the time what I do is that while my friends are learning something new, I'm not doing, I'm sleeping, I'm listening to some sort of podcast, and hence I start criticizing, अरे वो लोग तो मेरे से आगे जो जाए थे. So that the time I realized no, but still I have 1% tendency. I feel that most of us have that tendency that if we are not self criticizing, that we are not going on that level because we need to judge our own self. We need each and everything to be on the same page. So, because I remember once, I don't know the name who said, an Italian therapist, I was listening to the podcast long back, and she said that each and every week she practiced self criticism to be a more stronger individual. And then I realized, yeah, if we are taking it a very negative way, it can be a negative thing. But if we are taking in a very positive side, it can be. It all depends over what we exactly are doing. So now I would like to ask you that: do
I
you
just
think
want to
that?
add one more thing here. In one more thing I want to add here is that about the parenting, about the family we belong. Because sometimes what happens is that the parents are saying for good, ki you're not doing well, like the neighbors children are doing well and all of those things. But a lot of time what happens is that they're doing criticism and they're not doing a compassionate thing. That is what we take up. Parenting and the family we belong, the first few ages of a life is very important, how we are dealing with those kinds of things. Because in the start only, if it depends on person to person, some of them thinks that criticism is the thing that can make them give their best. Some is like no criticism, even a small criticism can make them very nervous, something they can do very well in life, they break down as soon as they are done in, like they come into a criticism phase. It all depends mostly on the individual obviously, but there is a big portion of thing with the families, the parenting style that the parents used while they were small. So I think that is also the important thing as well.
Most of us have gone through that phase that our parents are saying, Ari, you are not, see, your individual, like cousins. If it is
Yes.
a joint family, if that parents have two daughter or two son or one daughter, one son, we have all gone through the phase. And as you likely mentioned, that we can get into
Hmm.
trauma or we can get into other sort of mental health
Hmm.
issues. It's pretty
Hmm.
important that we should take in
Hmm.
consideration of the parenting style also. So now, with
Yes.
your words, I want to know what do you feel that self compassionate and self criticism can affect our mental well being?
Surely it can affect our mental well-being. It is one of the things that is very important, because everything we do in our life, motivation is something which is important. Anything, like even if you are getting out of your bed or even if you are doing some work, there is some kind of responsibility, there is some kind of motivation that need to be there, and that is the reason you're doing that work. Some days it happens with us also that we don't have any work, we're lying in the bed scrolling our phone, and it's fine. But if the criticism, compassionate, anything of that sort, if it's not there in life, we won't be able to do something. That is also important. But mental well-being is something which can hamper anytime soon because of the current situation we are in. We are seeing something on the social media which is like a fake life. उसकी लाइफ कितनी अच्छी है, वो तो कुछ नहीं करता एंड ही इज गेनिंग सो मच ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, उसको इतना पैसा उसके पास, वो तो ऐसा हो गया जस्ट मेकिंग रील्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दो सिचुएशन. तो मेंटल वेलबींग तो हमारा ऐसे ही हैम्पर्ड है. बट अब उसके ऊपर से वी स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग आवर सेल्फ एंड वी आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन ऑन आवर सेल्फ कि मुझे तो स्टैंड आउट होना ही, आई कांट. एवरी इंडिविजुअल, आप एक चीज गौर करो, हर इंडिविजुअल, नोबडी वांट्स टू बी अ नॉर्मल पर्सन. एवरी इंडिविजुअल थिंक्स मेरे को स्टैंड आउट होना ही है, एंड दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. बिकॉज इफ वी प्रैक्टिकली थिंकिंग, नॉट सेइंग कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली जस्ट थिंकिंग, अगर सब कोई फर्स्ट आएगा, सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ लास्ट कौन आएगा? ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो देर आर पीपल हु नीड टू बी जस्ट नॉर्मल एंड इट्स फाइन. बट हम जो आजकल देखते हैं, जो कंपैरिजन होता है, इट ऑलवेज गिव्स अ थिंग, आई ऑल्सो नीड टू डू समथिंग, कोई मेरे बारे में बात करे, एंड दैट इज वेयर थिंग्स बिकम अ बिट difficult for the individual. Now in the self compassion thing, for example, an individual has a capability of drawing, for example, but he or she is being forced and criticized in a field of football. वो चाह के भी फुटबॉल में अच्छा नहीं कर पा रहा है because his inner thing is into drawing. I'm just giving an example. अगर वो compassionately think करता, वो सही से उसको comparison को लेता और उसको अपना एक सेल्फ कंपैशन को होल्ड करते, वो समझता कि मुझे भी स्टैंड आउट होना है, बट बिकॉज माई एबिलिटी is in the section of drawing, I'll do something there. I have an in ability, I'll use that and I'll become something better. That is a very slight difference जो इंसान को समझना चाहिए. And it sometimes doesn't happen because of the society, because of the pressure, family, self thing, and all of those issues are obviously there. So I think this is a rough information about that.
About, like you said, it pretty true. Like we are always competing with others also. Like I know one of my
Hmm.
friend, if you search her social media each and every single day, starting from Monday to Saturday, not even Sundays, from Monday to from Saturday or Sunday, I forgot. Every single
Hmm.
day, she's lined up with all offline events. And one of my like common friends, she said me last week that Shraddhanjali, you also can organize some program where we ladies can come up. And I was like, okay, I can organize. Organize करने में बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. I can organize. But the thing is that I said, what program do you need? And she was like, each and every single day, so that we can get good pictures like her. I said, बाप रे मेरे को छोड़ो. Because every single day, either if I'm not even walking, it's not like that. As a therapist, also, I am walking all the day, starting from Monday to Sunday. Hardly 3 days I'm working, and other 3 or 4 days I am reading books. I am engaging my own activity, and I'm like, please don't compare. That is the thing. And she was like, no, मेरे को भी program पे जाना है. How does she get in touch with everyone? I said, she is a top-notch celebrity in Kolkata, and you have to understand that
Yes,
it's not
right.
that she's also liking, because I remember when we had a board with that figure, she said me, Shraddhanjali, from Monday to Sunday, attending all programs, it's pretty hectic. But we are not seeing that side, that she is too exalted. We are only seeing that pictures are coming, she is getting more than 1,000 likes in each and every picture. So we need to understand that thing, that what is there in our plate or what is there with us, we should be happy. What, like, I know one of my friends asked me that what happiness to you is, and I said sleeping and sleeping. So because I am not competing with others, we need to understand that competition में कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. We can compete. At times, when we would be exhausted, our mental health level would also go down. Stress, anxiety, depression तो होगा ही होगा. Then also the physical issues would come up, the psychosomatic wala. So people need to understand, because people are always at the back of the influencers. अरे वो लोग तो जा रहे हैं, why am not? Because I remember one of my friends yesterday only, she said me, Ari, you are having so many Instagram and LinkedIn follower. I said, एक दिन पे नहीं हुआ. My LinkedIn account is of 6 years. Then I derived all this follower. No, I have for 7 8 years. It's more than me, like more than you, and only 5,000 followers. I said, बाप रे, इधर पे भी competition. मतलब I was too shocked, because the competition is staying over there in LinkedIn followers or Instagram followers. I said, keep on creating content, keep on engaging with the viewers or subscriber. You are, hold on, hold on. For me, it took 6 years. For you, it would be taking 10 more years. But
Yeah,
you
true.
can. So people are always at the back. So I just want to know, Ikra, that how can people, or we as a individual, we can practice self-compassion?
Okay. See, like we both are psychologists and we understand that people come up with a lot of issues and हम उनको बहुत सारी चीज टेक्निक्स देते हैं कि you do this, you do that and all of those things. अगर आपको कुछ भी करना है अपने लाइफ में, want to do anything, either it could be practicing compassion, how to practice compassion, or in all over section, how to maintain your mental well-being. I think there are two very major sections. Some people think that हम psychologist के पास जाएंगे, we'll have a session once in a week and we are good to go. में हमारा problems अपने आप it's gonna fly over. ठीक है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. काउंसलिंग, yes, it's important if somebody is feeling that I am not doing well, I am not being able to do my daily activities, तो वो इंसान आके काउंसलिंग ले. बट सेकेंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन. द मेजर थिंग, आपको अपने आप कुछ भी करना चाहो, इफ यू वांट टू सक्सीड एनीवेयर इन योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर दैट. Talking about the methods of self compassion as well in an overall section, if you want to become something, do something, have a result, you need to work for it. Okay, now for example, if I want to become something, if I'm having a comparison, if I'm taking something in and I'm trying to make myself better, तो मुझे उसके लिए मेहनत करना होगा. I'll sit back and relax and think वो अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. It will never happen. Even for mental well-being, if he or she is coming down to a psychologist and thinking my trauma, my issues, my stress are going to fly away, वो नहीं होगा. If that psychologist is giving you some work, they're giving you exercises, they're giving you mindfulness activities, they're giving you therapies, art, music, anything, they're giving you journal writing, then you need to do it. If you don't do it, if you don't practice that, directly indirectly won't help you, right? So, if talking about how to become more self compassion, the proper methods of it, then yes, mindfulness is the key to it. Take care of yourself, self care, self gratitude. आइडेंटिफाइंग योर सेल्फ, नोइंग योर सेल्फ मोर, एंड नॉट बीइंग एबल कि वो ये कर रहा है मैं क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ अपने आप. एवरी इंडिविजुअल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, you, me, we all are blessed with one thing, one single thing which makes us different from everyone. आपको इस दुनिया में एक शक्ल के 7 लोग मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन आपको इस दुनिया में एक इंसान का मेंटालिटी दूसरा से मिलता हुआ नहीं मिलेगा. Personality of every individual is different, and that is the way we are created. We have very यूनिक फीचर्स. अगर आपके अंदर कुछ है तो मेरे अंदर कुछ है, वो किसी और के अंदर कुछ होगा. नो इंडिविजुअल इज नॉट बॉर्न विथ एनी एबिलिटी. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. We need to identify what we are good at, identifying yourself, practicing something which gives you happiness. It could be anything, doing any activity that makes you calm, that makes you realize what you are. Connecting to yourself is very important, and then only you'll be able to understand कि आपको करना क्या है, what is your goal, is this something that is affecting you or not affecting you. वो सब कुछ तब होगा when you connect to yourself. In such a busy life nowadays, now we are just not connecting to ourselves. We are connecting to every individual out there, but खुद के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है. जिम भी जाते हैं तो हम लोग आजकल तो जिम भी जाते हैं तो ट्रेनर रख देते हैं. जिम जाते भी हैं तो वहां पर भी किसी से इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो जो बोल रहा वो कर रहे हैं, और अगर वो नहीं कर रहा वी आर ऑन द म्यूजिक. तो एक खुद के लिए कोई टाइम, आप बालकनी में खड़े होके बस आसमान को देखो ना, जस्ट गिव दैट 5 to 10 minutes to yourself, and that will show you what you need to do. Every individual, you, me, every individual have their own way of helping themselves, own way of gaining जॉय, गेनिंग रिजुविनेशन, गेनिंग कामनेस. सबका अपना तरीका है, बट जो एक ओवरऑल नॉर्मल वे है वो ये है कि आप खुद को टाइम दीजिए, प्रैक्टिस सम माइंडफुलनेस एक्टिविटीज, सम एक्सरसाइजेस इन दिस बिजी आवर ऑफ लाइफ. गिव एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर अ डे टू यू. If you're not gonna give that, in the long run you're gonna feel that I'm getting exhausted, burnout बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा, and then you'll ask for help. So this is something which is very important. I personally think so.
Yeah, it's true. Like journaling, mindfulness, like eating, chewing, everything should be very like whenever we are on the table, we are with the phone, checking, scrolling the social media. Even if we are not checking, we are like stalking others, which is a very bad thing, which I feel. Like stalk karna, are baapre. Why should we stalk others? Like if you want to know that individual, call that individual instead of chalkiest, like stalking and everything. So the very third question, which I would like to ask, like, why is self-compassionate or self-compassion over, like, often being overlooked in favor of self-critical? Like, होता है ना? So why so?
कि आप मतलब ये बोलने मांग रहे हो ना कि ज्यादातर लोग सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देते rather than सेल्फ कंपैशनेट.
हाँ जी,
इट्स
हाँ.
वेरी सिंपल, लैक ऑफ नॉलेज. बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. Very simple way, if you are having stress, if you are having tension, if you are having a lot of burnout, breakdown, panic attack, people what they think is that मैं कल जाके दिखा लूंगा, आज नहीं दिखाता हूँ परसों दिखा लूंगा. अच्छा एक काम करो, थोड़ा ट्रिप के लिए चला जाता हूँ, लेट्स गो आउट फॉर 2 days फॉर अ ट्रिप, ओके आई टेक अ ब्रेक. बट जैसे ही ना यहाँ हार्ट पेन होगा ना, हार्ट पेन हो रहा है, लेट्स गो टू डॉक्टर टुडे ओनली, नीड टू गो टू द डॉक्टर. सिंपल, बस यही बात है. We need to prioritize thing. The awareness is really low. लोगों, आप ना मैक्सिमम लोग से पूछो, दे डोंट नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्फ कंपैशन एंड सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म. दिस थिंग इज द सेम थिंग. क्योंकि वो पता ही नहीं है. जब पता रहेगा तो ना वो अडेप्ट करेंगे कि मुझे क्रिटिसिज्म को साइड रखना, कंपैशन को रखना अपने पास, लेकिन वो पता ही नहीं है. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द अवेयरनेस. जिसको पता है वो अपने आप को ठीक से कर रहा है. नाउ द पीपल हु नो लाइक पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस, नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस, दे अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दे टेक अप दैट वे ओनली. So I think the lack of awareness is something which is there, and that is the reason उनको पता ही नहीं है. शायद कुछ कुछ लोग सेल्फ कंपैशन ही कर रहे, सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं कर रहे, but they don't know that they're doing this. Some people who want to do it but नहीं कर रहे, उनको पता ही नहीं कि वो किस सेक्शन पे काम कर रहे हैं. They're thinking बस हम तो कर रहे हैं, हो रहा है, रिजल्ट मिल रहा है, and this is the thing going on.
हाँ जी. So मेरा दूसरा question, like in terms of the like last question, like what could be the long-term effect of self-criticism?
See, it could be very bad. Trust me, it could be very bad, because now every time you are doing self criticism, one, you are trying to follow someone else, so you're losing yourself. Second, when you're following someone else, you're following their abilities, their strengths and their weaknesses. You're losing your own identity, you're losing your own uniqueness. Third, आप जब लॉन्ग रन में खुद को छोड़ करके किसी और को फॉलो करने लगोगे ना, इन द लॉन्ग रन you, what will happen, you'll get exhausted, you'll get burnout. You can't follow somebody your whole life. You can do it for a short period of time, 1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल, और अगर आप लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए करो तो अपने आपने तो खुद को खो ही दिया है. अगर कर रहे हो then you're gonna get burn out very easily, and that is like you won't understand that why it is happening to you. You're getting irritated easily, you're having anger issues, you're having family issues, you're having relationship issues. Also it can affect your sexual relationship as well. That is one of the most important thing. आपको पता ही नहीं कि क्यों हो रहा है. You're thinking that something is wrong, something is happening different, but आपको पता नहीं ये हो रहा because you're just self criticizing yourself every single day. So that is something which we need to understand कि long run में sell anything that is negative in the long run, it is not gonna help you. You need to mold, you need to analyze, you need to channelize the negativity into positivity. I understand staying positive, जो हम बोलते हैं ना positive रहो, वो हमेशा possible नहीं होता है. Even I understand that it's human, ये हम लोग humans हैं, we are born this way, we have this emotion, वरना सिर्फ हमें creation के वक्त happy इमोशन दे दिया, सैड इमोशन देते ही नहीं अगर वो जरूरत ही नहीं होता तो. बट एवरीथिंग इज important, but everything is important in balance. I understand that negativity comes, I understand that stress comes in, criticism comes in when you're not doing good, just like your own brother. Even the siblings have different sections. There somebody's working here, somebody's working here, somebody's working here, but criticism होता है. Now they need to understand how they need to adapt this thing. वो तो होगा नहीं, वो पूरा जिंदगी होगा. And something I feel is that the Indian society, हमारे यहाँ कंपैरिजन बहुत हाई है, बहुत ज्यादा हाई है. सो ये तो है कि दिस इज गोना हैपन, बट उसको चैनलाइज कैसे करना है, वो मेथड्स के बारे में हमने तो भी जस्ट बात करी है. बट देयर आर गोना बी टाइम्स वेर यू आर गोना फील आई एम लो. क्रिटिसिज्म लॉन्ग टाइम करोगे, आप खुद बर्नआउट होगे, समझ जाओ कि ये गलत चल रहा है. दैट इज द रीजन आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल. दिस इज
हाँ
समथिंग.
जी. Culture can affect self-criticism also. Comparing with other siblings, if that is in a joint family or even if not in a joint family, extended family, उसका शादी हो गया, अरे why didn't you get married? You are in a relationship for the last 2 years, 20 years, but still see your brother, your sister, and I'm like, oh. Whenever I get a client like this and they are like, Didi, do you know that my mother is saying? I said, oh, because I don't know what to give, what exact reaction to give in front of the parents. Because I remember last month there was a client, and the main exact issue of the client was client's mother is pretty high has anxiety issue, panic issue because her daughter is not getting married. All the cousins in her family got married. In fact, her own sister got married, but she's not getting married. Twins, though the clients are twins, but the smallest one got married, the elder one is not getting. And the elder one was in a relationship for 5 years or 7 years. And the mom is like, she is in a relationship, Shraddhanjali. She is in a relationship, but still she don't want to go. Why? Why? And like, oh, because they have a notion that yeah, if I'm in a relationship I have to get married after this number of years. So people in this, I won't say generation, but in certain culture, this happens, which can come up in self-criticism also. Now my
And
very last question, huh?
something also I feel like, even I had a patient recently, what happened is that he is like in a love marriage, like he wants to marry the person who he is in with relationship, and the family brought him into कि आप इनको समझाओ and just break the relationship. I don't want this relationship. He can't do love marriage. If he does love marriage, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Then I just started to just intervene a bit. लोग क्या कहेंगे? बोलता है मैम जो बोलते बोलने दो. I am saying the truth. I live for people who are talking about me. I can't adjust to it कि there people can talk negative about me. मैं ये adjust नहीं कर सकता. I won't be able to accept. His father was the figure. I won't be able to accept. Then I understood he belongs from a psychoticism kind of personality. So I understood where he's lying into. But उनको इस age में change करना without he getting, it's not very easy. It's not easy. And the guy and the patient, the son, he is so in love with the person, so in love with the person, full support. But he is like, कि ma'am, everything is good. same religion, same caste, good family. Not that I'm bought her from a very bad background, nothing like that. But my parent is just love marriage करेंगे तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. So there
Yeah.
are like still it happens, and it will take I think a century more to get over this.
Yeah, I always say in all these sessions, whenever someone talks about relationship, that we say that we are modernized. We are living in a highly modern situation. We are wearing hot pants, cigarettes, हाथ में लेके cigarettes picture post करना, drinking of wine, drinking of drugs, everything. We are not talking in our mother tongue, only English, 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 Hindi, Bengali, other mother tongue are like fuck off. But still, when it comes for relationship, people are like, no, you can't. Arey, why? Like, I know one of my friends, she had blocked me because she went for a Europe tour. And I did not go for a whole Europe tour because it would take a lot, like minimum 1 month to have all the countries from Europe. She blocked me because she thought that I would be jealous. And when I asked her what was the reason, she said me, "Won't you be jealous?" I said, "No. I just need your pictures because I would be seeing you standing in front of Eiffel Tower, clicking a picture with your brother, with your husband, blah blah blah." So this was her intervention that she derived that yeah, Shraddhanjali would be jealous, and all from my friend circles was being blocked because she got married to a very healthy family, not healthy, wealthy family. She was like mediocre, middle class, and she got married. Now
Hmm.
that is the disaster change for her. 360-degree turn. She was from a very mediocre, got married to a very wealthy family. Now पता नहीं इतना सारा wealth लेके क्या करे. Every single day I see her keeping on, she is changing her DP. And I asked her, what is where is the trouser from? And she said me, this is from this designer. I was like, हाँ, भूल गए थे हम कि right now she is a wife of some wealthy parents, not parents, wife
Now
of
no
some,
more new market stuffs.
no more new market, no more Gariahat, nothing. And then I was like, oh, I understand. Because this is not change. She used to be this, now this, and she can't handle. Now she had blocked all of us, school friends. She had blocked all of us. She did the pre-wedding from Dabbu Ratni, someone who is a very highly
Yeah,
photographer.
I know, I
I,
know him. Ha, ha,
I
ha.
saw only one or two picture of him, and he is very healthy guy. I was like, what was the charge? She said, oh, more than lakhs. I said, thank you. God bless you. Stay safe. Because I don't know how to interact with such people. Because that can also bring self criticism. I am not getting married. I am not being getting that sort of guy for me. I know. So I had avoided her also. So my last question, Ikra, it would be like, do you feel self compassion can contribute to resilience and which can recover from any sort of trauma?
See, it can help you. It can help you. Any positivity in your life, anything that you are doing to make yourself calm, to care yourself, doing the self care, self gratitude, any activity. It could be self compassion, it could be anything that you're doing for yourself will help you coming out from a trauma, because trauma is something where you feel I am the victim, I did something wrong, I am stuck there, I won't be able to get out of the situation anytime soon. वो कैसे हो गया मेरे साथ, मैं तो क्या लोग कहेंगे, वो कैसे वो सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, and all of those things. That is where trauma एक छोटा सा पार्ट है. And but if you are thinking that I myself is enough, I know that this is not gonna help me in the long run. I need to get out of this situation. This is something which is very important. Otherwise, I won't be able to succeed, not give my best, and then automatically things get went down. Even you, me, other psychologists out here, what they do when a trauma patient comes down, we tell them to first get into the self care section. अपने आप को पहचानो, अपने अंदर को पहचानो, and then slowly, steadily, we try to get them out of the situation. So yes, it's important from my side.
Yes, all the topics, like not topics, all the videos are self perspection. I don't feel that we are taking all in general and speaking. We are only talking about our practices or our ideas what we feel, because afterwards people are like, ah, madam, you all said, but it's not helping us. I remember of self journaling when I asked one of the individual that be calm and listen what your inner child says and write down what are the thing. She was like, I did not get, what did you say? I said, I was calm and quiet. I said, figure out 10 negative qualities and figure out 20 positive qualities of your side and write it down. She wrote two positive quality and seven negative qualities, and she was like, मेरे को और positive नहीं पता. Anju, you have to dig deeper. No, I can't. I said, you have to. You can't बोल के कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to. Then she started saying me that, no, that therapist told me to do Gestalt therapy. I said, do you know what is Gestalt therapy that you are saying me to do Gestalt therapy with you? No, that therapist did. I said, please stop comparing, because that therapist might be a Gestalt therapy practitioner. I'm an electric therapy practitioner. I practice all the therapy according with the client. And she was like, okay. And I remember after 3 sessions, she was like, I'm not liking that sort of therapy. But the client's mom and dad, they gave me a feedback that Shraddhanjali, we liked it because I saw my daughter, she was wearing lipstick after 6 long months. I said, but she's not liking, so please don't force her. Then after a few number of days again, she came back. I need therapy session from you. I said, go to that Gestalt therapy practitioner. Then she realized that no, for me, it is only all these things, because we need to understand what are our qualities. Now, if people ask me or you that what are your negative qualities, we can say fatak say, but there are certain sort of individual they don't know only. Because it took for me, I took 2 years to discover what are my positive qualities.
It
Then
takes
I
time.
can, yeah, it takes time because of certain things. Yes,
जर्नल राइटिंग इज समथिंग व्हेन यू से कि आपको ये करना है, उनको सबसे पहले तो ऐसा लगता है ये क्यों करवा रहे हैं, व्हाई दे आर आस्किंग अस टू राइट, व्हाई दे आर सेइंग अस टू डू सो मच ऑफ मेहनत, वी डोंट वांट टू डू इट मैम, यू जस्ट डू अ मैजिक, वी आर कमिंग टू यू, यू जस्ट डू अ मैजिक एंड व्हेन आई लीव द clinic, I leave the chamber from here, I'm well. This is
yes,
not gonna happen. And sometimes I also feel they are into a quick thing. I want medication, I want medication, please recommend, I can't handle this, I can't handle this. But you maybe all understand by seeing the individual that they doesn't require the medication. Now they can handle themselves. By the counseling process they will be able to overcome, but they want quick result, very quick result, कि नहीं नहीं मुझे तो बस दे दो, मुझे बस दे दो. And somewhere also I feel ना, I don't know if this is right or wrong, but I just have this thing in my mind that I also feel when psychiatrist gets these kinds of patients, they should say that you
हाँ,
shouldn't take with these medications, आपको जरूरत नहीं है, please go to a counselor.
yes.
Because the doctor knows na that what are the side effects, what are the habit formation thing, everything they know. उनको
But the thing also comes that the
होती है.
sort of income. I know
Yes.
few of the psychiatrists from Kolkata. कुछ नहीं है. That was not even moderate depression. I
Okay.
felt that she could need medicine for a month. It was for 7 months. She is still taking medicines. Then I asked her, "Oh, didn't you talk to your psychiatrist or didn't you go for a follow up?" No, ma'am recommended me for 1 long year. I said, how many days in a month you are going? It is like after each and every 14 days. That is in a month twice. And her charges is 1800 per session, only for 10 minutes. And then I realized that, yeah, if she is going even for 1 long or 6 long months, what is the income from only one client? So
Yes.
psychiatrist won't say, like we can realize that, yeah, अभी उनको psychiatrist के पास भेजना है. We understand and we do give refer to this. But psychiatrist or the any medical practitioner won't do. Even I know physicians, they do therapy, family
Yeah.
therapy, because
Yeah.
everything Wiki Baba is producing everything.
You won't believe people say कि काउंसलिंग करना क्या है इसमें,
हाँ,
सजेशन तो देना है, I'll give suggestion. You know I'm doing counseling from years. I'm like, how you're doing from years? I am guiding people, my friend who was in this, my colleague who was in this, I took them out of the situation, ऐसा वैसा. I'm like, okay. And you won't believe they have added as a counseling psychologist under the designation without any educational background. Just they're saying by experience. By
Yeah,
experience. And depression, the word you mentioned, I would just like to go through with this. Depression is such a fancy word now, such a fancy word. Every second individual is using the word depression. They don't know the critical thing about the word. They don't understand ये कितना critical मामला है, क्या ये है actually में. And every individual, yesterday तो I was very depressed. I was very depressed. You don't know the meaning of depressed.
yeah. This is what, because of Google Baba, na? Everything is
हाँ
available in Wikipedia. Everything is available in other sites. So there are
हाँ.
no certain norms that only this site can be opened by a therapist. Please
Yes.
provide your qualification or your certificates. Now there are so many organizations which have popped up with 3 months counseling, 3 months therapy. They are teaching whether online, whether offline at a very reasonable
I
rate. And I
won't take the
remember,
I won't take
no,
the name of the company. I was working for that company as career counselor. Okay, so they give the diploma degree to any individual,
huh.
irrespective of the background. They are not concerned about it. But one thing that was good about the company, like as soon as the session used to end, they would have a career counseling session and give it to their mind कि आप इससे counseling psychologist नहीं बनने वाले. And they used to get aggressive. आपने तो एडमिशन के टाइम में कुछ और कहा था, अभी निकलते वक्त कुछ और कह रहे हो. ये क्या कह रहे हो आप, ये हो क्या रहे हो मेरे साथ. And
Yes,
that is
because
something.
they need the basic degree, like the theories, which we study in graduation first year, second year, third year,
Yes,
then about the
yes.
disorder. तो डिप्लोमा में क्या होता है, ओनली द डिसऑर्डर ऊपर ऊपर से, दे डोंट नो
ऊपर
व्हाट इज द
ऊपर से.
conditions or why sort of condition. Like I know one of a institute in Kolkata itself,
Okay.
gynecologists are taking admission in that 3 months course. I said
Okay.
okay, that can be a medical practitioner, and I saw one of a student. She is a scientist. She wants
Okay.
to be a psychologist. And she said
Okay.
me, can I write a clinical psychologist? I was like, Askia is going to fire you off. Not even us also can't write a clinical psychologist, though we are dealing in
You
clinic.
haven't done
Now I
that.
no, no, no. And the conception of clinical rehabilitation and counseling psychologist given by one of my students was extemporaneous. She said me, I said, do you know what is the difference between a clinical counseling and a rehabilitation psychologist? She was quiet for a long time and she said me in a batch, she said me, Shraddhanjali di, clinical means those who practice in the clinic.
अच्छा.
Rehabilitation means those who practice in the rehabilitation center. Third is what you said, psychologists. Counseling psychologists are those who practice from the house. I was like, huh? And she was a student of State University. I was like, oh my god, such a dot thing.
You
Because they didn't have the
understand
idea.
the thing comes in the faculty as well.
Hmm.
I will tell you that we had a very good educational, like I from the where I completed my bachelor's and master's, the education was top notch, the professors were top notch, but nobody told us that what is the difference between clinical, non-clinical, what is the difference between RCA registration, non-RCA registration. We usually thought RCA registration is important for everyone.
Everyone.
अगर नहीं है तो होगा ही नहीं, वो होगा ही नहीं, possibly नहीं. And that is where, as I told you yesterday as well, that is where I started this thing to help people with mental health enthusiasts, the people with psychological enthusiasts. I'm helping them setting up their venture, clearing out all their issues and giving them full support. कुछ गलत मत करो, आप आपको करने का
हाँ,
मन है ना, हम करेंगे वो, we'll do it for you. गलत मत करो. And you won't believe, in na Indeed वगैरह, you know ना Indeed
hmm.
and all of those
हाँ,
Naukri.com and all of those things, they have like a lot of people. That it's good that they are promoting mental health jobs. It's very nice. They are doing that. But मैं companies की बात यहाँ कर रही हूँ कि companies लिखते हैं I want counseling psychologist RCA registered.
right.
कंपनीज को
Right.
ही है, कंपनीज को ही नहीं पता जो वहां पर डाल रहे. इट्स नॉट अबाउट इंडियन एंड नौकरी. हाउ कैन दे कम एंड
No.
सेलेक्ट ईच ऑफ, वो तो उनके पॉसिबिलिटी में नहीं है. जो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज हायर कर रहे, दे आर राइटिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट आरसीए रजिस्टर्ड. कहाँ से लाऊं?
हाँ.
कहाँ से लाओ?
I know one of our counseling psychologists. She stays in Delhi.
Okay.
Now, when I was having a word, I in over WhatsApp, I can share you the detail. She
Okay.
does such a wonderful work in Delhi. In West
Okay.
Bengal, I feel that if we as a counseling psychologist, we are doing the RCI is going to come at the back. She conduct corporate session in every month, whether
Okay.
it's Pizza Hut, whether it's Accenture, whether it's Wipro. She
Okay.
has her own setup, more than her own setup. The company which she is taking, she has a social media team also. She is
Okay.
doing wonder.
Okay.
She is quite young to us, at least,
Mm-hmm.
but she is doing wonder. Now I asked her, come to West Bengal, come to Kolkata, stay here for 1 month, and then you go back to Delhi and figure out which one is more flexible. She said me, Shraddhanjali, I'm not going to come to Kolkata because I know there is tutu meme with all the RCI and non-RCI people. I said, wow, you figured it out. Because this happens. The moment you are saying you are non-registered and the registered are coming, how are you practicing, or how is your Google review so well? I was like, Google review se kya hai? People are giving. It's not that I am saying people are, mere ko 5 star de do
हाँ
या
हाँ हाँ.
4 star de do. People are choosing that us. So I understand there's tu me dog and cat fight, but still
There
I
was
keep
a
on
big
doing.
fight recently, na? Like the
Ah,
clinical psychologists used to get out, like pass out. They used to add counseling psychologist in their thing. तो उसका लेके
hmm,
recently a lot of amendments have been made. RCA released a notice that now clinical pass out can't use the word counseling
counseling. Ha.
psychologist. वो ऐड नहीं कर सकते. So things are going to take time, and specifically even I feel na that there should be one body who needs
Hmm.
to also give registration to psychologist, because
Ha.
बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो बस आ जा रहे हैं. So this is all, like RCI is doing good with the clinical section, but there needs to be someone who can also take up this section, give a practicing license. Then you will
Ha.
understand the quality. Then people who are going to practice, they're going to practice by their degree, by their quality, by their regulating after coming from an institute. So it's very important.
हाँ जी, वो बहुत important है. Even if they RCI wants to give, they can open for counseling psychologist also. Like those who have graduation and masters only in psychology, graduation Sanskrit में, masters chemistry में, 1 year or 6 months का degree counseling में, I am a counseling psychologist. Even if they don't they don't fear to write clinical also.
हाँ
In
हाँ
my
हाँ.
area, they don't fear to write clinical psychologist because the notion is only not clear that who are a clinical. They are working in a clinical setup. We understand. Even I work in a hospital. I work in polyclinic. So that is also clinic. Or even
Yes,
you are working in clinics, in
yes.
hospitals. But people think that, oh, clinical means they have to work. And in fact, one of my clients said me, Shraddhanjali madam, please write clinical psychologist. I said, never. I don't have RCI. And I
हाँ
don't
हाँ.
need RCI because I am pretty lazy in taking the psychometric and all. But yeah, if someone says me that please take a psychometric for me, definitely I can. But
Oh,
खुद
obviously.
से करना I don't like. I only like doing counseling and therapies and not even all the therapies. So there should be a clinical difference between this. People should know who are the counselors or who are therapists, or even people say, ah, you are a practitioner. That means you know all the things. Are all the things we can't know because abroad
You
Western
won't
culture me I
believe
have
one
seen.
more thing. You won't
Hmm.
believe people, like, I feel so bad about few things as well. Children with special needs, they are being taken to pediatrician, and वो लोग फिर उसको बोल देते हैं, दवाई खिला देते हैं. हाँ, this is good. Now he's gonna. I when once now when I saw a Down syndrome baby, a baby suffering from Down syndrome. She was or he was taking, I don't remember the gender, taking to the pediatrician. उन्होंने दवाई लिख कर दे दी. वो pediatrician इतने सीनियर हो गए, ये बता नहीं पाए कि आपको क्या करना है, वो गाइड ही नहीं कर पाए. तो कैसे होगा, कैसे पॉसिबल है? इसको बहुत साल लगने वाला है इस चीज को पूरा निकलने
अब
में.
पूरा हेल्थ पूरा सिस्टम को ही चेंज करना होगा. हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ, वेलनेस, फिजिकल हेल्थ, पूरा सिस्टम ही चेंज करना होगा. बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर
हाँ, यू आल्सो
someone
नाइस
having
वर्ड, वेलनेस. वेलनेस इसका भी अच्छा चल रहा है अभी. वेरी वेरी मच.
एक urologist है, the work of a urologist is to have issues with the urine system or with the penis. I know she is a physician, she is taking up cases of urologist. And I said, अरे क्यों, दे दो, रेफर कर दो कोई यूरोलॉजिस्ट को. नो श्रद्धांजलि, सो सॉरी. आई एम लाइक ओके. तो पूरा सिस्टम ही चेंज करना होगा, वेदर इट्स अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, वेदर इट्स अ पेडिट्रिशियन, वेदर एक गाइनो, because not all the gynecologists are infertility specialists. There are infertility specialists also, but
बिल्कुल,
people have a notion that gynecologist मतलब ही infertility specialist.
बिल्कुल।
ले लो, ये तो
एंड
सब
इफ यू आर
हलवा हो
गोइंग टू
गया.
अ इनफर्टिलिटी सेक्शन दैट मीन्स आपको
हाँ,
बच्चा अब नहीं होगा, आप आईवीएफ के लिए जा रहे हो।
हाँ,
दिस
they
इज
only do
आल्सो द
IVF.
नोशन।
They only do IVF because when I did a course, a diploma course on infertility counseling, because both
हाँ,
the separate counseling, I was doing so many things. IUI एक भी process है, IVF तो vast है, but
हाँ,
IUI
वो
भी
भी
तो
सबसे
है.
एक्सट्रीम है।
People are like, no, मेरे को IVF ही करवाना है. I said, who are you to decide? It's your infertility doctor who is going to decide. They are like, oh, doctor is going to decide. So this is the structure of the health system in India. Not in India, particularly in West Bengal.
I would name the hospital. Okay, so what happened is that they took up for infertility counselor. ठीक है, working, and then they told, why are you not converting the clients to us? I'm like, I didn't get it. मतलब you are here as an individual, when people come down to you आपको उनको बोलना है go for IVF,
Hmm.
go for IUI, go for this, why are you giving therapies, why are you doing this, आप कन्वर्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? हमने ये भी करना था।
I know my gynecologist, like he's my mentor. I'm not going to name. Like one
Okay.
of the renowned hospital in Kolkata said him that in a month you can see how many patients you want. I won't mind, and he is more than 75. बहुत पहले की बात है. The photo, like I'm not going to name, आ जा रहे हैं मुख पे, but the HR department said the doctor gynecologist that convert a minimum of 20% of the client into OT session, even if they are not requiring any sort of surgery. He was like, हाँ, मेरे को काम ही नहीं करना है इसमें,
You
because it's a
won't
sort of
believe the same
marketing.
thing. Polyclinic, you are practicing in a
हाँ,
polyclinic, they are gonna come and tell you कि आप उन लोगों को कुछ टेस्ट क्यों नहीं रिकमेंड करते? टेस्ट क्यों
हाँ,
रिकमेंड करो? जरूरत नहीं है मैम, यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, हमारा बिजनेस टेस्ट से ही होता है। आप करो, विल गिव यू 20%। नहीं
हाँ.
चाहिए 20%, गिव इट विद यू। मैं क्यों टेस्ट दूं? आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, आई एम नॉट अ प्रैक्टिशनर। हम है नहीं वहाँ फील्ड से, मेरा साइकोलॉजी फील्ड है, मेरा काउंसलिंग। मैम जनरल करवा लो ना, यूरिन करा लो,
पूरा
ब्लड टेस्ट
पूरा
करा
बॉडी
लो,
चेकअप.
करा लो ना, बीपी ये शुगर वगैरह करा लो, दैट्स फाइन ना, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने कुछ दिया हमें पेशेंट। नॉट पॉसिबल फ्रॉम माय साइड, विद समवन एल्स।
वो ये मार्केटिंग हो गया, इनकम का
हाँ,
धंधा हो गया ये सब. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई रिग्रेट इन कोलकाता, नॉट इवन इन कोलकाता, पूरा वेस्ट बंगाल का सिस्टम ही करेक्टेड है. पूरा वेस्ट बंगाल का सिस्टम ही करेक्टेड है अभी. वी नीड टू, इट नीड्स मोर 20 years to
I
figure
don't
it
know if I could, I should say in this very, it's a big platform. So there have been from the government body, there have come out a lot of posts, ठीक है,
out.
psychologist post, counselor post, ठीक है,
हाँ.
but comparatively जितना medical का आता है उसका 10% ही counselors का आता है। So I remember this 2023 में एक post आया था about for a counselor. Okay, it has been more than 1 year, there has been no progress on that.
हाँ.
Am I
ये
audible?
কথা I think your voice is not audible.
Okay, I think there was a slight network issue.
Yeah, I think you are itself not audible. You are visible.
Okay, so now am I audible? Is it better now?
My,
Okay, I think now it's better, right?
हाँ, अभी you are audible.